My afternoon walk with the dogs. Okay, back home. There's been a lot of landings late in the past few hours, so I figured I would take the dogs on a walk around the children's house so that if there was a Tzeva Adom, I would be near someplace and safe. Well, somebody up there is looking after me, and I think it's actually a man who died here nearby. I'm going home.